Will real magic AI replace real people and real emotions? We take a look at the latest Coca-Cola commercial timed around Christmas this year because this ad, instead of generating Christmas cheer, is drawing some flack from advertising enthusiasts. Reasons? There are several of them. Firstly, in this advertisement, apparently there is too much reliance on artificial intelligence, and because of that, the ad also seems very artificial. The animals look totally fake, wheels of the truck don't seem to be turning, and several other reasons which only a technical person will be able to list out. But experts feel this Coca-Cola advertisement created with real magic AI fails to create real magic of Christmas. Unless Coca-Cola is targeting children, and we hope not, this advertisement majorly lacks in the emotional appeal which they were able to create last year for their Christmas advertisement. Let us first take a look at their old advertisement of 2023 and then I will share with you their latest 2024 advertisement. You can compare the two ads and decide whether real magic AI can replace real people and real emotions. And before we see both these ads, let me wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. Let's get started. Let us take a look at Coca-Cola's 2023 commercial with real people and maybe real emotions too.
A tantalizing remark. Though his boots are not my size, with a twinkle in my eyes, I could be Santa Claus. With his reindeer and his sleigh, I'd be up and away. I could be Santa. I could be Santa. I could be Santa Claus.
And here is the latest commercial of Coca-Cola created by Real Magic AI. Whether Real Magic AI is going to replace real emotions? Subscribe for more such advertisement reviews.